Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 20 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affairs is common in all competitive exam. We will discuss the current affairs with some additional static facts also. Okay, so watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous question. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who has announced My Town My Pride program? Manoj Sinha, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha. Recently, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has announced that the government is coming up with a movement called My Town, My Pride. Okay, from October 19. It is already launched from October 19. Okay, and our second question was, who is the author of book titled The Battle of Belonging? The Battle of Belonging. Chetan Bhagat, Shashi Tharoor, Pratibha Rai, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is the author and politician Shashi Tharoor. The renowned author and politician Shashi Tharoor is set to release his new book titled The Battle of Belonging. It's set to be released in November. It is going to be released in November. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, Jacinda Ardern has won the second time Prime Minister of which country? New Zealand, Australia, France, or option D, Saudi Arabia. As per you know, the previously also Jacinda Ardern served as the Prime Minister of New Zealand, and recently the Prime Minister of New Zealand, Jacinda Ardern, won a landslide victory in the country's general election and elected as the Prime Minister for the second consecutive year for 3 years. For 3 years. Okay, you can see here the image of Jacinda Ardern here. Okay. And also, do you know the capital of New Zealand? The capital of New Zealand is Wellington, and the currency is New Zealand dollar. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question: who has been elected as the president of DDCA? Amit Kumar, Rohan Jetli, Shashi Panda, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Advocate Rohan Jetli. Recently, the advocate Rohan Jetli, the son of former Union Minister late Arun Jetli, has been elected the unopposed as the president of DDCA. DDCA stands for Delhi and District Cricket Association. Delhi and District Cricket Association. Okay, you can see the image of Rohan Jetli here, the son of Arun Jetli. Okay, recently elected as the president of DDCA. Next question: who has been elected as new chairman of IBA? Anil Valluri, Sandeep Bakshi, Rajkiran Rai, option D, Rajneesh Kumar. The correct answer here is option C, Rajkiran Rai. Okay, the MD and the managing director of the Union Bank of India, Rajkiran Rai, has been elected as the chairman of Indian Banks Association. IBA stands for Indian Banks Association. So answer here is Rajkiran Rai. For the term of 2020 and 21, he elected as the president. Okay, and he succeeded Rajneesh Kumar. You can see the image of Rajkiran Rai here. Okay, next question: veteran vocalist Pradeep Ghosh passed away. He belongs to which state? Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, or option D, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is option B, West Bengal. He belongs to West Bengal. Okay. And the noted Bengali vocalist Pradeep Ghosh recently passed away. Ghosh as the prominent reciter who has well known for his inimitable style of recitation. Due to his style of recitation, he was very famous. Okay, name is Pradeep Ghosh. Recently passed away. He belongs from West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee, and Jagdeep Dhankar is the governor of West Bengal. Okay. Next question: which country hosted the 7th meeting of Minister of Justice of SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization? India, China, Australia, or option D, Japan. The correct answer here is India. Recently, India, the seventh meeting of the Minister of Justice of SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization's member states, was virtually hosted by the Indian Minister of Law and Justice, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Okay, you can see here the image of Ravi Shankar Prasad hosting the seventh meeting of the Minister of Justice of SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Okay. Next question. India has successfully test fired which missile from INS Chennai? Prithvi, Agni, BrahMos, or option D, none of these. Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is BrahMos. Recently, India successfully test fired the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from the INS Chennai, with the weapon hitting a pre-designated target in the Arabian Sea. Okay, BrahMos, and it is hit the pre-designated target in the Arabian Sea. Okay, you can see here the launching of the BrahMos from INS Chennai. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. Bilateral maritime exercise SLINEX 20 started between India and which country? Sri Lanka, Japan, Maldives, or option D, Australia. The correct answer here is Sri Lanka. So option A is correct here. Recently, the 8th edition of the annual Indian Navy and Sri Lankan Navy bilateral maritime exercise, named is SLINEX 20, has been started at Trincomalee, Sri Lanka. It is started in Trincomalee, Sri Lanka from the 19 to 21 October. It is recently going on 19 to 21 October. Okay. Here you can see the image also. Question number 8. Government of India has extended the tenure of Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla to which year? 2025, 2024, 2022, or option D, 2021. The answer here is 2021. The Appointments Committee of India of the Cabinet has approved the extension of the tenure of Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla till August 22, 2021. 2021 August 2022. Okay, here you can see the image of Ajay Kumar Bhalla here. Next question. Who has won the Denmark Open title in women's single? Carolina Marin, Nozomi Okuhara, Melina Djokovic, option D, none of these. The answer here is Nozomi Okuhara. Recently in badminton, the former world champion Nozomi Okuhara won the Denmark Open title, beating the 3 times world champion Carolina Marin. Beating the Carolina Marin, the 3 times world championship, okay, in women's single. And Nozomi Okuhara won this Denmark Open title in women's single. You can see the image of Nozomi Okuhara here. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Which country has invited Prime Minister Modi to join the celebration of their 50 Independence Day? Bangladesh, Japan, Sri Lanka, or option D, Maldives. The correct answer here is Bangladesh. Recently, Bangladesh has invited Prime Minister Modi to join the celebration of the 50 year of the country's independence on 26 March 2021. Bangladesh is going to celebrate their 50 Independence Day in 26 March 2021 and invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi on this their auspicious day. Okay, Bangladeshi news. Capital is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Sheikh Hasina is the the Prime Minister, and Abdullah Hamid is President of Bangladesh. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. This is our question of the day. You have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who became the first Indian to win the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award. Our second question is, which country's passport is considered as strongest passport in the world? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit Educational Wing, a humble request to them to please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.